In the last video I showed you how to do the simplest mating nook that I knew how to make, but I also said we were moving away and moving on from them. Literally it's 6th, 7th of July at the moment. Our mating this year has been atrocious on the British Queens, and last year and the year before and the year before we've noticed a continual slide in the success rate, and I think everybody has really. Lots of queens disappearing for no reason, and I just do not know why this has been happening. So we're moving on to a completely new system, and that system is going to be we're still going to do our 24-hour mating nook, but what our system is going to be from now on is going to be our 24-hour mating nook. It's then going to go into the cell builder until they're capped off. From there they're going to go to the incubator in the other shed, and they're going to sit there until they emerge, and then they're going to go off into a queen bank for 8 to 10 days after emergence. And then what we're going to do is, with our British queens, we're going to 100% instrumentally inseminate all our own queens from now on. And just so everybody knows that all our own queens, if those that do buy them, they're going to have a completely new colouring system. It's still going to have the colour marking for that year, but it's only going to be literally cut in half, just like these below on the screen. We're going to mark them white first of all, and then it's going to be half white and half the year colour. So you know how old they are, but you also know that they've been artificially inseminated or instrumentally inseminated, whichever way you want to look at it. But that's the way that we're going to do it. So as I say, last week we packed away all our mating nooks. I just couldn't see the point in banging my head up against the wall, going round finding no queen in there, or literally a queen that's not gone out and got mated. So just to be more confident in the reliability of these queens, we're going to instrumentally inseminate them all. For years now I've instrumentally inseminated queens, and they've been as good or better than naturally mated queens. To be quite honest, there is no real difference. We just find that the longevity of those queens has been better, really, and it's more reliable. You know when you get a queen, go away bees. So literally, if you haven't already, please subscribe, click that bell, then you get an email notification every time I upload a new video. Any questions, pop down in the comments. We're pushing this out to or making it available to a lot more beekeepers out there. On our website you'll notice that we've got a £99 instrumental insemination course. We've also cut the price of our comprehensive course down, and we're going to be releasing an instrumental insemination kit at the end of this year that's going to only be £199 for the kit. So it's going to be a game changer. It's going to open up this world to a lot more beekeepers, especially the hobbyists. The more expensive stuff is still going to be there for the professionals that want to be whacking out hundreds and thousands of instrumentally inseminated queens and producing their own particular breed of queens as well. That's going to still be there. But what we want to do, or I want to do, is I want to open up this to everybody and make it affordable, bring it down from thousands down to hundreds. Any questions, as I say, leave them in the comments. You can always give me a ring on my mobile at home up to 11 o'clock at night.